Hi, Eric. My name is Tanya, and I am Nathan's business partner. We wanted to thank you for reaching out on his Facebook post in the group Fleet Wash Academy on Facebook. Due to a huge response, he and I have been tag teaming these videos. So with that being said, let's get started. So we wanted to send you this screencast to show you the 3 things that you can do today that's going to help bring in more customers to your business. So as you can see here, I've got your site pulled up. The deal with Google is they want to see content on your site, and they want to see a lot of content. Content is huge with Google. On your home page, you have 111 words. Google wants to see around 1,500 words on your home page and 500 to 750 words on your service pages. So I've got 2 competitors pulled up. Let's take a look at the first one, and this is Your Quality Pressure Washing. They have 475 words on their website. The second competitor that I have pulled up is Grandview Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing. They have 368 words. So for you to get content on your homepage would be very, very easy to do. So I want to show you this really cool tool that Nathan and I use. It's called Ahrefs, and this one shows us all kinds of information on your site and on your competitor sites too. So what I want to show you right now is organic keywords. It says that you have 8, so we'll click on it and see what keywords you have. So the first one is grout pressure washer. You go over here and you see volume. So volume is how many people search this particular keyword every single month. So it's getting 20. Go over here to traffic, and traffic is how many people find your site based on this particular keyword. You've got a traffic flow of 0.01 for this one. So let's go over to the first competitor and see what he has. He has 153 organic keywords. So the first one is pressure washing, Houston, Texas. A volume of 200, which again is how many people search this particular keyword every month. And the traffic is 9, so the traffic is how many people find his site due to this particular keyword. The second competitor has 29 organic keywords, so we can take a look at his. And the first one he has is Grandview Window Cleaning, with a volume of 20 and traffic of 1.4. Now, with this particular keyword, this is what we call a branded keyword because it has his company name in it. Typically with branded keywords, we don't really count those because if people are typing in part of your website or your company name, they obviously already know who you are. So we want to get you ranked for keywords like something that would be power washing spring TX. The other thing that I want to show you is the map pack, which is this right here. We want to get you ranked in the map pack, and we also want to get you ranked down here in organic searches. The more room that you can take up in organic searches, the better. Because if you take up room up here in the map pack and down here in organic searches, people are going to, without a doubt, see your website. So you will get way more traffic, way more hits, and more business due to being on the map pack and on organic searches. So another little tool that Nathan and I use is called whitespark.ca. this pulls up citations. Citations is getting your business name, address, and telephone number listed in directories such as Merchant Circle, Yelp, White Book, Better Business Bureau. I mean, there's hundreds of these directories that we can get you listed on. So right here, you have 14 citations, so you are currently listed in 14 directories. Your quality pressure washing has 31, and Grandview window cleaning and pressure washing has 11. Citations do take a little bit of time to do just because you have to fill out the forms with the business name, the telephone number, the address, give a description of your business. So they do take a little bit of time. That is most definitely for sure. That's something that Nathan and I would absolutely love to do for you. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks give your site authority, which helps you in getting that #1 spot on Google. Backlinks is getting another site to point back to your site, giving you that power in Google's eyes. It's a huge popularity contest with Google. So right here it says that you have no data for backlinks, so we will go over to your first competitor and take a look and see what he has. So he has 181 backlinks. Now there is a little trick to backlinks. We can go into your competitor's backlinks list and get some of his backlinks and take their links and go after them for your site, giving you the backlinks, giving you the power. So here are some of his, and another way we can do it is go find blogs that have to do with pressure washing, window washing, hit those keywords, and we can leave a comment in that blog with your website, giving you that backlink from that blog. So your second competitor has 50 backlinks. So we've gone over content. You need 1,500 words for your home page, 500 to 750 words for your service pages. Citations, you need 200 to 300 or more to beat your competition by a landslide. Backlinks, you need more relevant sites pointing to you to show Google that you have that power. And if you implement all these strategies today, you can definitely be #1 across Google. If you want to do this on your own, that's great. If not, then you can hit Nathan up on Facebook and send him a message, or you can email him at this email address, kickassmarketers@gmail.com. Thank you and have a great one.